My name is Jim Dufresne. I'm here to tell you about the Ebow. Okay, and here's the different parts. It's got a little blue LED. It's got a channel that the string that is driven resides in, and there's two string guides on each side. So that fits on there like that. See where that LED is? It's driving that string. The LED isn't driving the string, it's an electromagnetic force inside the unit that's driving the string. The LED acts as a guide. And I can switch from string to string. Because I have string guides. And the outside strings take more of a challenge to master the technique. Because there's only one string guide. It has a two-position switch, one for the fundamental harmonic and one for the upper harmonic. See? There's the fundamental, and there's the you can make your notes swell in volume. You can control the volume by getting it close to the pickup, and then you can back it up a little bit like that. You can let it rise up. Can you see that? And you can control how much drive you want. Add some brightness to that pickup. Changes the character completely.